Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about best Vedic astrology books for beginners. So let's start. A Course in Indian Astrology, written by Professor N.E. Muthuswamy. Let's see its contents. This is a great source of information in astrology. This book is vast in in different fundamental concept of astrology. You can see from the contents that the first one is the signs, then planets, then star means nakshatra and constellations, and also this book has the different houses significations. And one more thing I want to share here, that this book has given knowledge of how to judge a horoscope, means general rules of horoscope. When you see a horoscope, what should be in your mind, means what should be we have to judge from a horoscope. This book depicts those information. So let's see the next. The Art of Prediction by J.N. Vassin. This book has also a great information for the beginners. The first chapter has given the rules of how to predict, and second chapter is given different fundamental factors of planets and the relation of the planets, and using those relations how to judge a horoscope. And the chapter 4 is the departments of lives. Chapter 5 also give the knowledge of Dosha. Chapter 7 gives the timing of events, and chapter 8 shows the erection of a birth chart. That means how to cast a horoscope using Indian and the Western system. So the next book is Astro Sutros by J.N. Vassin. This book mainly gives the information in house-wise, means the first house, second house, third house. This book gives the information house-wise, means suppose planet Mars posited in your first house, or Venus posited in your fourth house, then what will be the happen? Means what will be the judgment from this type of houses? This book gives about those information. Now the next book is Astrology for Beginners by B.V. Raman. And he explains the essential and also the casting a horoscope, hints on the judgment, and different aspect of life, means longevity, death, personal appearance, character, education, parents, brothers, marriage, and also about the timing of events. Now next, Elements of Vedic Astrology by K.S. Charak. This book has 2 volumes. In volume 1, he has given the introduction of Vedic astrology and also the concept of astronomy. The concept of basic astronomy is very, very important for the astrology. Apart from that, he also given the Vedic method of instruction, means the signs, houses and planets, nature of planets, significance of house and planets, and casting a birth chart. And also he has given the sub-planets, planetary states of being. Grohobala means the strength of the planets. And also the dasas, interpretation of Vimsatri dasa. In the second volume, he has given the placement of lords of houses, planets in different houses, planets in different signs, Navasa yogas based on ownership of houses, etc. And also he has also touched the information of Muhurta, matching of two charts, the traditional method, and also the Prasna or horary astrology and planetary transits, that means Gochar. And he has also given the Ashtak Varga. Next book is Learn Astrology the Easy Way by G.S. Kapoor. This book has very good information about the basic astrology. The book size may be small, but it has ample of information. Means the basic zodiac and solar system, planet, signs, constellation, natural characteristics of Rashis, and natural characteristics of planets, and also how the casting of horoscope has done in a basic way. And he has also given the planetary strength and effects of rising signs, effects of planets in different signs, general effects of planets, etc. And also he has given the Rahu Ketu judgment of horoscope, yogas, basic yogas, result of doshas, and female horoscope. It is a quite unique effects of transits. Now the next is Light on Life, an introduction to the astrology of India by Hart D. Defoe and Robert Voboda. This book has some unique information which you cannot find in other books, like oral versus written, Veda, Vedanga, Vidya, the eternal faith, myth and observation, teaching tables. Also has given the different Jyotish styles, and he has given the essential astronomy for Jyotish, the planets information, the Rashis, the Bhavas, the Panchanga, and also the Nakshatra and interpretation of the horoscope, and also the Groho Yogas, means Bhadra Yoga, Hamsa Yoga, Malabha Yoga, or also the Raj Yogas. He has given the information, and also the Dasas and Gocharas, and he has explained those information in example charts. Now the next book is Practical Vedic Astrology by G.S. Agarwal. This is the contents. One thing I can say about this book is this book gives information in a very good or in a nice way. This book's information is depicts in a very natural and very good way, and this book gives information about the planets, then it is given the signs and also the houses. Then it has given the predictive principles, how to judge a horoscope, yogas, longevities, married life, children, etc. The next book is Predictive Astrology and Insight by Dinesh S. Mathur. He has also given the very good information about basic astrology like signs, planets, the lunar node, that means Rahu and Ketu, and houses, house-wise information he has given. The next book is Vedic Astrology, an integrated approach by the great astrologer P.V.R. Narasimha Rao. He has given the basic concepts, Rashis, planets, Upagrahas, special lagnas, divisional chart, houses, means different concepts of astrology in a very good way, and also he has given the how to analyze the dasas like Himsati Dasa, Ashtottri Dasa, Narayana Dasa, etc. And also he has given the information of transit analysis, Tajika analysis, and he had touched some special topics. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.